Hi guys, welcome to Life and Dreams. Right, quick update with what we've been doing over the last week. We're just literally been tightening this Sprinter up. The customer's picking up today to go away for a trial weekend. So we've just got a few finishing touches. The gentleman's going to pick his cushions up on the way. So since then we've fitted all the lagoon mount table, the Mercedes AMG swivel round seats. There, and then we have the fridge, drawers, gas hob, sink with the lid there. Got all under remote control, under lighting. Again, swivel tap, so if you wanted to wash anything outside, you can do. We're just waiting on putting a USB there. We've got a magnetic knife holder, the chopping board, which actually comes out, and that gets located. So we'll clip that drawer, pull that out, and that just sits nicely inside there. And I can put it just like that, so it extends all the cooking top. And when they drive in, just push that down, then place that in here. Then over here, we've installed his TV. That's on a swivel mount, so again, that's on a lock-in pit, so that just goes and locks in one way, like that. Then we've got the pop-up wireless charge, so you just plop your phone on there. We've got the 800 microwave oven, so this is a combi oven. This is actually a microwave and a grill and a normal conventional oven. We have drawers, there's curtains that need taking up, that needs hoovering out. Another one under the step just there, and also so you can climb in. Then towards there, we've got the toilet, which is an electric flush and also runs off the cassette. The shower door. And then the chap's just going to bring his mattress as well, and that mattress now sinks in lovely there, so it's like a hidden mattress. So we've got all the overhead cabinets with the stay fast there, stop them falling down. Yeah. Right, so I'm going to show you around the back. Okay, so around the back we've got a few little bits to do. We've got to tidy this up. Then the customer needs to order a new trim around there, so we're not too worried about that. Spray one. And here we have the drawer, so you can reach all the stuff from right at the back. Again, really, you can put your generator and everything on here. Then in here we've got all vents along there, black vents, because we've got the diesel heater right down there. Then all the electric setups in there, so we've got DC to DC, Victron, also the MPPT. So we've got 400 watts of solar on the roof. We've got three fans. We've got a little dome one in the bathroom as well. So we're putting these little nets up. Just waiting on the curtains. They just need taking up. They're a little bit too big. So again, there's a few little finishing touches, but the customer's going to go away today, give it a trial and see what he thinks. Right, with the VW T5, what we've been doing on here, just got to finish boarding the floor off, because we've been installing, let's say this out, split all this, then we've rebolted this down, so it's quite a snug fit as well. Then we've got the Truman water heater and warm air heater, which is off gas, 240 and 12 volts. Then we're just waiting on the sink. We've got the fridge installed. Then the customer's having a pop-up roof installed. We're not actually doing that. We'll show you what we're doing on another van when we drag that one in next week to take the roof off. So we'll give you a good demonstration of how we're going to do that. So then we've got all the electrical system that's now been all wired up and it's up and running. So we'll go around and show you that. Put USBs in here. The customer's also had an amplifier, which is just there, the Pioneer. So we've got full Pioneer head unit, Pioneer under sub just there, under the seat. Then that's all running off the leisure batteries as well, so they've got no chance of flattening the starter battery. Then round the back, just here, what we're going to do is we've got the diaphragm pump. That feeds is a bubble finch shower point there. So we've got the filter, diaphragm pump, and the accumulator, and the isolation valves. Under here we have a spare wheel water tank. I think it's about a 50-litre water tank. And that's there, so we can gain access, and it matches in. That will sit just onto there. And the customer also, because there is quite a lot of weight in here, he's had a sports exhaust put on it. It has been remapped, and we've had an upgraded suspension put on it. It's actually on axle stand right now, so for the water tank, but that's made it really a better drive as well. Then also we have the exhaust for the Truman heater. Right, okay, to finish off with, we'll show you what we've also been cracking on with this one. It's all been ribbed. We've plied it with 6mm ply. We've kept it. I had to keep it quiet, close to the contours of the van, purely for the bed lift, which bolts onto here, bolts onto there in 4 corners. Then that'll raise the bed up and down on the remote control, which is going to be based over there. So the next thing we're waiting on is the furniture board to turn up, which I believe is coming this afternoon. Then we'll start making a crack on with the furniture for this one. So stay tuned, like, subscribe and share so you get the notifications whenever we release a new video, and keep up to date. And again, we'll get back to showing you more on the T5 and the progress on this very soon.